Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what you're going to do with the wild vegetables in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Dreamlight Cinematic Festival has been released in Heartopia, and in this event, you will see a challenge here. The challenge is called the Wild Greens Foraging, and in this challenge, you need to collect four wild vegetables. There are the fiddleheads and then tall mustard, burdock, and mustard greens. I've already collected them all. And once you collected the wild vegetable, you can use them to cook something, guys. You can cook with this popcorn serving cart. You need to craft this item first. If you don't know how to craft this item, you can watch my previous video. Okay, and I'm going to use the wild vegetables to make this food, the wild vegetable salted taco. As you can see here, that we can choose the ingredients. You can select the wild vegetable that you want to use, and for me, I'm going to use this mustard green. Okay, and you need to make the taco first. This is the recipe, and you can get all the recipe from Massimo's cooking store. Okay, let's make the wild vegetable salted taco. I'm going to make this one, with the mustard greens. Okay, and now I'm cooking the taco. Yay. Okay, I've just made the wild mustard green salted taco. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the wild vegetables in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematics Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.